If you've been dreaming to own a detached home in high demand Stoney Creek area, then stop dreaming, cause 39 Royal Coachman Way in Stoney Creek, Hamilton is now available for you to check it out. I am Yasir Khan from Remax Impact, almost newly built home in the Empire community. It's close to all the major retailers for the shopping, minutes to QEW and Lincoln Alexander highways, short drive to GO station. Other amenities include 7 soccer fields, 3 baseball fields and 2 children park, all within the Empire community. The home is in great condition, top to bottom, upgraded and shows true pride of ownership. You really have to come and see it for yourself. Please watch the virtual tour. Call me today for more information or book your private showing. Thanks for watching and talk to you soon. Take care.